Mailman just left, dropped the package off. I think I know what it is. Is it? Yep, it is. Okay, we're going to do this nice and quick. It is review time, folks. Early in the morning. We actually had an August little rain shower. This is my custom Ford Edge windshield cover, insulation, whatever. There's my car. The old one's on there. It works. It's just really finicky because it's made for a smaller car, and if you don't have it in the right spot, or if you jiggle the car, the windshield cover will actually just fall off. So this one's much bigger. I can already tell. Let's go ahead and let me shut up. I haven't even had my coffee yet. Let's grab my tripod. There's my grilling setup. Let's go ahead and do this now. This is a 2016 Ford Edge. Love it. Now they say this fits a 2015 to 2020 Ford Edge. I don't know what the difference is between the 2015 and 2020. If it's major or not, we're going to find out. But you can see how sloppy this one is. I've had this for many years, and I think it was for a different vehicle. I can't remember. I've added so many vehicles, but you can see, there it goes. I woke up to that. So let's go ahead and put this camera on a tripod, open this up. Now I already know one of the gripes is going to be storage. If it's not easy to put away, you're less likely to use it. I don't care. I'll just throw it in the back of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and open it up. Got my knife with me. Am I in camera focus view, whatever? Yep, I am. I'll take a outside shot, what it looks like from the outside, and then I'll bring the camera in and take another video of it. There, what it looks like. See, that one folds like an accordion. This one doesn't. You just roll it up. Let me go ahead and grab the other one. What I was using. See what the size difference is. I think I bought this from a local store, Napa or something. To be honest, I can't remember. It's been years. I've had it for a long time. This one, I hope this fits. Has a long strap, which I appreciate it. This one here, you'll wrap it, and then it's barely just touching like that, and then it unravels. Extra line. I like that. That's a plus. Love it. That's not going to unravel in the trunk of your vehicle, the back of your car. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and line it up with the old one. Okay. Let's see if I'm in focus. Checking here. Okay. I'm gonna line up one end. There. That's lined up. So it's shorter. Okay, how about height-wise? That's my issue, is the height. So we're going to line up where the mirror would go, and you'll see the difference. Let's go ahead and flip this around. It's much taller, and that's what I'm interested in, because there wasn't enough height. So I have the mirror holes somewhat lined up, and you can see the difference. I hope this alleviates the problem of this falling out of place. So there you go. This one definitely, this one seems a little thicker compared to the one I was using. See how flimsy this is? Now, mind you, this is many years old. This one's much thicker, firmer. I'll take one video outside, see what it looks like from the outside, and then I'll bring the camera in and do it again. perfect fit for a 2016. A 2015, I don't know what the shape of the windshield is. 2020, I sure don't know. But this is perfect. I don't have no radar detector. It's just bone stock inside on the dash, so it's perfect fit. Let me bring you inside and do it all over again. I'm going to flip it around just to show you that it doesn't matter what side you use. Wrap that around. Put your that's perfect. That's a perfect fit. This is not going anywhere. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down again and bring the camera in closer. Okay, we're gonna try it from a different camera position. Doesn't matter which way you use it, front and back, doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get this bend out, so I flipped it around. Just wrap it underneath and over the mirror. Even that right there already beats the old one. And of course you just place your visors down. I don't know if you can see that. It's not 100% custom, but this is way better than the one I was using. I have a little bit of daylight on each side. I really want to be picky. There's about maybe an inch bottom left-hand corner, right-hand corner where the sun is showing. Maybe an inch at the most. I am not complaining. 100% approve. Yeah, this is great. I'm going to leave it there. This is its new home. I'm going to go ahead and take you around the front and show you where the gaps are. Yeah, I'm happy. If you have a radar detector or something, that might get away, so you might have to unhook that if you're using a suction cup. But this is what I wanted. 5 stars, 5 stars. Let me go ahead and take you around to the front. There's the old one. I'm going to give that away. I'm not going to throw it away. It's still usable. I might use it for something else. But just want to show you before I leave you folks. Look at that. Fits perfectly. Remember, this is a 2016. This fits a 2015 to 2020, and I don't know what the difference between 2015 and 2020. Could be minor, could be major, I don't know. But there's that little gap I was telling you about, just right there in this spot here. That's it. I would say this is a 99% custom, not a full 100 custom. Here on this side, you can see again, there it is. Let's say a little daylight through. Yeah, I'm happy. Well, that's it, folks.